Hello there, I'm just going to do a really quick overview of how to use a light overlay in Photoshop. I have my photo here already loaded in, so I'm just going to go to File, Place Embedded, and right here I have a folder of my light overlays which are available on Etsy. And I'm just going to pick one to start with. I think I'll go with that one. I click Place. I will then adjust it to however I want it to fit the photo. Click there. Okay, and now I go over here to my blend mode. I go to screen, and that's a little bit harsh, or harsher than I'd like it, so I'm going to come over here to my opacity and just pull it down a bit. Pull my fill down a bit, and maybe that's where I'd leave it. I'm going to show you what more. Come over here to File, Place Embedded. Let's see. I'll do that one. Okay. And you can do this, I always hide them and I'll pick another one, and just to make sure that I find the one that's just right. And then back to screen. And that's very vibrant, so I'm going to bring it down. Oops. There we go. And then one other thing that you can do is you can make a layer mask and take a brush. Need it in black. There we go. Mine's pretty soft. Opacity is just 31, flow 74. I'm going to make it a little bit, just a really soft little brush. And then I'm going to come over and brush it off of her face, just so that I'm keeping all of the details really sharp that I want sharp. There we go. And I can bring it up a little bit more since I'm not worried about it muddying the tones and sharpness of her face. What I also like to do sometimes when I brush out is switch back to a white brush, make it really low, and kind of just brush back in a little bit around the areas that I brushed out so that there aren't any harsh lines or barriers. There we go. Pretty easy, and it makes a really nice addition to a photo.